He was born in Great Barrington, Massachusetts, and he was born there in 1868. He came to Ghana in 1961. This was where he was living. Dr. Dubois was given this house by his friend called Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Nkrumah happened to be our first president. So he invited him here to be the director of the Encyclopedia Africana. So coming here was to be the director of the Encyclopedia Africana. And he decided to live for the rest of his life here. He came here at the age of 92 years and he lived here for 3 years. He died here when he was 95. Dr. Dubois was using this place as the living room. So this place was his house. This was the living room for him. And you should have seen tables, chairs, and other furniture and other stuff for him here. But in 1860, there was a coup d'etat which affected Dr. Dubois' place by some of the military people who passed through to, push off some of the things. That's why we're not able to bring them up again. Dr. Dubois died in 1963 when he was 95 on the 27th of August 1963. And the wife of him still lived even at the time that he passed away. He lived here for additional 3 years before she moved to the sea. And his wife was Shirley Graham. Shirley Graham was here with Dr. Dubois. So the living room now is the gallery of Pan African Cultural Center. The whole house is the memorial center for W.E.B. Du Bois. So what we do here is to talk people in and out, to show to them what he brought here and also what he came here to do, and other things that he was using here. From here we will go to other rooms of him. Down this place was Dr. Dubois' dining room. This was the dining room, and now is the seminary hall, where we have people coming here to have their meetings, workshop, and other things as well.
What was this? Was it a porch? This front room? Where? How was the house used?
At this time, there was nothing there at the store like that, or the bookshop, or the mission like that. But on the coffee. Yeah.
It's like a porch.
Yeah, like a porch around that. And there, before you get into the